welcome to Crafty Shenanigans. I'm Shannon Smith, and I've been crafting for most of my life in some capacity or another. Paper crafting I'm probably the most passionate about, and for the last couple of years I've actually been designing projects for a rubber stamping company. But now I'm actually freelancing and I'm starting this new adventure with the YouTube channel, and I'm excited to have you join me for this fun adventure. So I've just been investigating new to me products and different techniques, and I'm having so much fun just kind of seeing what's out there. And I hope that you'll come back and visit every week with me and see some new techniques and some new ideas that maybe will just spark something creative within yourself so you can create your own beautiful projects. And I hope that you will subscribe, and if you want notifications, if you click on the little bell, then that's how you do that. So thank you again for joining me on this adventure, and I will see you soon.